please. Too much going on with that. Your name?
My name is Tanisha Morris. Simon G is my daughter.
Yeah, I got the note. I'm gonna go ahead and adjourn it. She's going to have to bring proof.
Yeah,
She's gonna have to bring proof.
okay.
So I will, I need another page of a register, second page. We're gonna give you a new date. Lisa, I'll just let you figure out the date down the hall there, whether it's, I'd like to do it next week anyway, okay?
Okay, we'll do the 14th.
All right, so we'll give you a copy of the notice. Good luck with all of that, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good,
Have a good day.
good luck, you too. I'm just gonna write on this register and leave it to you, okay, Lisa, to
Okay, I'll take care of it.
take this thing about the adjourn. C letter. All right, so that's what I'll do.
What day? I didn't.
It's August 14th, you said, right?
Yes, at 8:30.
At 8:30. Okay, all right. All right, so people against WADA, Caitlin Brianna WADA, 25T645-767. Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good.
I don't usually see people coming to court so bubbly. It's good to see. But you got to slow down though, okay?
I know.
You're going to slow down, right?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, because if you don't, next time you come here, I can't give you impeding, okay?
I know.
So that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Irresponsible.
Irresponsible? Is that what you said?
Responsible?
Responsible?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
All right, 170 is your total.
Okay.
I'll dismiss the traffic signal. You can go down the hall and take care of that. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks. Brock, Marquetta Denise Brock, 25T645906. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name?
Mark,
All right, so you're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yeah.
Responsible or not responsible to that? I'm sorry?
Responsible.
I'll accept the plea. Speeding's dismissed, 150. You're all set. Cash, you're into the hall. Best of luck. Maurice Sivan Simpkins, 25W839179. But I have Kim Gilsbatch seated up at the table.
All right, everyone, buckle up, because today's court docket moves fast and the energy inside this courtroom is unlike anything you've seen. We're jumping from routine traffic cases to emotional probation violations, unexpected attorney issues, and even a tense showdown over unpaid fines that nearly lands someone in jail. Watch closely as the judge tries to keep order, break down legal obligations, and walk defendants through consequences they didn't even know they were facing. And trust me, one case toward the middle, it takes a sharp turn when a defendant reveals a newborn-related emergency involving her attorney. Stay locked in, because every moment builds toward a surprisingly intense ending you won't want to miss.
My right, your left, please. Your name, sir?
Maurice Sivan, sir.
Good morning to you. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Plea is accepted. Let me just double check something. Yeah, 150 is your total. Cash, you're into the hall.
Okay, got 2 weeks of paying my son.
Sure.
$2,200.
No problem. August 19th, you can pay by.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have the money somehow, call the court, go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension. Just don't ignore me. Honor before the due date, okay?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck.
All right, shoot, go down there.
You don't have to go anywhere. You can leave the building. Just August 19th, you have to pay by.
Thank you.
Good luck. Kim Marie Gilsbach, 25W839-148. Your name, ma'am? All right, so you're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Please accepted, 155, cash your end of the hall to your right, and you're all set. Original charge dismissed. Elise Ann Cosby, 24B 147119. Could I have Luke Williams seated at the table over here? You can come up to the podium, Ms. Cosby, state your name.
Elisa Hankowski.
All right, you're charged with failure to refrain from having contact, direct or indirect, with Justin Cole and his immediate family. That is the charge. Plead guilty if you're found guilty. This is a non-technical violation, a violation of the no contact provision. Your probation could be revoked and you could be incarcerated for a period of 90 days with your 771 status revoked and the conviction entered. You understand that?
Yes,
Did you sign the advice of rights?
yes,
Did you read it?
yes,
Did you understand it?
yes,
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
You have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford one, either way, I'll appoint you one at public expense. Do you understand me?
yes.
Would you like a lawyer?
I have one,
Who is it?
Steve, Max Dubin and Steve, but he couldn't be here today because, his newborn baby's in intensive care.
Geez, that's too bad. Why didn't you just call and get an adjournment? I would have given you adjournment. You drove all the way from Johannesburg?
No, I've been down here.
You hired Mr. Dubin to represent you on this?
Well, I spoke with him yesterday. I spoke with him a few days ago, and yes, we were supposed to meet to retain.
I didn't ask you that. Did you pay him retainer money?
Not yet, because of his emergency situation with his baby.
All right. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea for you. We'll hire Mr. Dubin. I'll make a note, right? That's what you're going to do?
Yes,
I'll give you a new court date and I'll give you a personal bond. You have to comply with all terms and conditions of probation, okay?
yes,
All right, personal bond, $500. Comply with all terms and conditions of probation. We'll give you a new date, which will be on
August 14th at 9:30.
August the 14th at 9:30, okay? So I'm entering a not guilty plea for you. I want to be clear about that. You go down the hall, get your notice, and we'll see you here then. Any questions?
no, thank you.
All right, good luck. Kenneth Jerome Luke Williams Jr., 25F243686. Your name?
Kenneth Jerome Quinn.
You're charged with failure to pay $305. If you plead guilty, if you're found guilty, you could be incarcerated, $309 actually. You could be incarcerated 1 day for every $10 owed. You could receive 31 days in jail. You can satisfy that in full by payment, in full by serving a jail term, or in part by payment, and in part by serving a jail term. You get $10 credit per day served. So if you paid $209, you'd owe $100, you'd only have to serve 10 days. You understand that?
Yeah.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford one, you can apply for one at public expense. Actually, I'll just give you one. Do you want a lawyer?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Home City Ice.
I'm sorry?
Home City Ice.
Where is that, and what is that?
Pinehurst, New Jersey. Deliver ice.
Okay, how much do you make?
So we 24 hours.
Why didn't you pay this?
Because when I got pulled over, I have I was doing DoorDash at that point. So I had a amount on my phone and the officer, it was raining that
You
day.
didn't show up. You didn't do anything. You lost. If you're gonna try to contest the ticket, you have to post a bond.
Oh,
You don't just not pay a ticket or not show up because you disagree. Is that what you're telling me? You disagree with what he wrote?
No, I called today. They told me that my court date was today.
The ticket was issued in April. You had 10 days to answer. Hang on. You had 10 days to answer. This is August. That's 4 months ago. You needed to call and request a hearing or pay the ticket within 10 days. You did neither. You went into default. So if you're saying you didn't pay the ticket because you didn't agree with the citation, that ship has sailed. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Oh, yeah, I didn't know that, sorry about that, I didn't know, I wasn't aware of that. The address that they had, I moved from, so they told me they sent it to work. They told me.
You got the ticket, right?
Yes, I had a ticket, I called and I set up a court date. And then,
You can set up a court. Did he set up a court date, Lisa?
Yes, I called.
Slow down. Slow down. I'm gonna see where he set up a court date.
Let me
Nope.
check, Judge.
They would have come in front of me. Did you leave a forwarding address?
Yeah, so the address.
Hang on, slow down. I'm just asking, did you leave a forwarding address?
No,
Do you live in, whatever 2377 is, in Hamtramck?
yes, that's what I live in now. And
We sent you this back in June.
Judge, it looks like a default card came back in return mail with a forwarding address.
I'll give you a choice. I'll give you a choice. Go down and post a bond if you want equivalent to the amount here, that's the rule. And you can make a motion to set aside default judgment, or I'll set you up on a payment plan. Whatever you want.
I do a payment plan, I pay whatever today.
You can pay whatever.
Yeah, I'm saying I can pay a certain amount down.
How much do you have today?
I feel like a couple hundred.
So you want to just take care of it that way?
Yeah. But I still get points on my, like I said, I got my money.
I can't do anything about the conviction at this point. Okay? But I will do this, if that's the route you want to go, I'll just have you pay $200 and I'll call it a day. I'll waive the balance. You want to do that?
Yes.
You understand the conviction's going to remain on your record, though. Balance waived, $200. Go down the hall, take care of that, and we'll call it a day, okay?
All right, thank you.
Good luck. White, David White. David Michael White, 25W839022. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name?
David White.
You look like a lawyer. Are you a lawyer?
And I get interviewed after this.
All right, well, good luck with that.
I appreciate that.
All right, so what are we doing? You're pleading to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
What happened here? Wait a minute. No, you didn't show.
It was originally scheduled for July 8th and.
Let me see something. Give me 1 minute here. Oh, I said motion to set aside default judge. I see. Did you meet with the department rep today?
I did before I came in here, yes.
You met with the department rep? I don't know why you didn't send anything in here. Who'd you meet with? Well, I don't have anything in here. So, did I miss something? Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Can you do me a favor and take this to Lieutenant Toller for me, please?
Of course.
I don't see any stip form in here on this case.
I can do that for you.
Thank you very much. Have a seat right at the table there. Cassidy Angeline Reardon, 25F244405. Oh, I'm sorry, officer.
Yes, sir.
That needs to go in that file. My apologies. Ma'am, your name?
Cassidy.
All right, so you met with the department rep. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes,
Responsible or not responsible to that charge?
responsible.
All right, I'll accept the plea, 150, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
Original charge dismissed.
Thank you.
You all right?
Yeah.
You look scared. Good luck.
Thank you.
Martin, Ray Christopher Martin, 25F244339. Your name, sir? All right, so you met with the department rep and you're going to plead responsible, excuse me, to impeding traffic, true?
Sure.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, you got insurance?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got 3 of those on your record. You aware of that?
I was going through a rough spot financially, but I've been insured for about 2 years.
All right, I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge 155, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. Crystal Martin? Crystal, I just didn't see a stick form in there.
That's okay. It just got turned around backwards.
Oh,
Sorry about that, Your Honor.
That's all right. Crystal Nicole Martin, 25F243723. Your name, ma'am?
Crystal Martin.
You're charged with a failure to pay. This is a show cause, excuse me, for failure to pay $213. If I find you didn't pay and your failure to pay was not without your fault, you could be held in contempt and jailed 1 day for every $10 owed. You get 22 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You want water? You have all the money?
Yes,
Why'd you wait so long?
just busy. I work in the nights.
What's that?
I work in the nights, just busy.
Busy.
Yeah.
You gotta take care of your tickets, okay? You cost yourself more money.
Definitely.
I'll cut it down to 185, balance waived, okay? Down the hall and take care of that. Good luck.
Thank you.
Next time, call the court, deal with it, okay?
Thank you, yeah.
O'Neill, Tyler Aiden O'Neill, 25W839210. Your name?
Tyler O'Neill.
Gotta be careful, you caused an accident, right?
Yes, sir.
To the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accept the original charge dismissed 195. Cashier under the hall to your right. Good luck. People against David White, 25W839022. Your name?
David White.
You're gonna plead to impeding. I have it now, okay? I don't know how I missed it, but at any rate, to the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
How much of a bond did you post?
And the line fee. Ticket.
How much bond did he post, Lisa? Can you tell me?
I believe it was 165, but let me look real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, 165.
All right, so I'll accept the plea. I'll set aside the default judgment. Fines and costs are 165. Just go down the hall and take care of that, okay? I don't know whose name it is. I don't see a bond receipt, so. Pardon?
He actually paid it instead of posting as a bond, so he's all set.
I see. So you're all set. You can leave.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Caitlin Marie Poor, 25W839149.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your name?
Caitlin Moore.
can't take this. You got 4 moving violations, it looks like, in the last 5 years. So you can either plead to 30 and a 25, which is a 1-pointer, or you can set it for an informal hearing, whatever you want to do.
I'll take the point.
To the charge 30 and a 25, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea. 135 is your total, okay? Good luck. All right, Daniel Condon, Daniel Edward Condon, 25W8385531. Your name?
Daniel Conley.
Why'd you wait so long to come and talk to me?
What do you mean, sir?
Your ticket was issued in April.
No, I know, I set up a payment plan, Your Honor, and I just forgot about it. I received another ticket, and I paid it.
How much do you have today?
Sorry?
How much do you have today?
I can't pay anything today, Your Honor.
Where do you work at?
I need to request more time.
Where do you work at?
I work at Manheim Auto Auction. I was working through a time service making 19. They made me hire in for $5 less, so I'm making $5 less an hour.
When can you pay this?
If you could give me as much time as possible,
Do you get paid weekly or bi-weekly?
all weekly. But the next 2 weeks, I have to pay my insurance and my car payment.
You pay $35 per week, beginning August 25th. Can you do that?
I'll make it happen.
If you don't have the money somehow, you call the court or come in here on or before the due date. Call the court, we'll go on Zoom, or you come in here on or before the due date. I'll be glad to work with you, okay?
You said August 25th?
Correct, that's a Monday.
Okay.
That's 2.5, almost 3 weeks, all
All
right?
right, thank you.
Good luck. Amy Nicole Zugaj. Two four T 702-732. Is there a Emily Pardo here? Is anybody here that resides on Maidstone in Trenton on this case? Okay, your name?
In Nichols, okay?
It's, okay. Okay. Nobody's objected. So I'll just indicate, you staying out of trouble?
Yes, sir. I've learned my lesson.
Good. There being no objection and you having been compliant, defendant granted early discharge.
This is one of the most important moments in the entire docket. The judge is walking the defendant through a probation violation, which is far more serious than a traffic fine. A violation can lead to jail time, revocation of benefits like 771 status, and a permanent mark on their record. Notice how he carefully checks whether she read and understood her rights, because if she pleads guilty without comprehension, that plea could be challenged later. The twist comes when she explains her attorney's absence due to a newborn emergency, and the judge immediately questions why she didn't request an adjournment. This shows how strict courts are about communication. Failing to call ahead can make even a valid excuse look irresponsible. What do you think? Was the judge being fair here, or should he have given her more leeway?
From probation. You are all set.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we're gonna send you that paperwork and you should have it the next few days, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Best of luck. Thanks. All right. Dean Allen Langle. 25T645958. Your name, sir?
Be my Joe.
Good morning to you. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Correct.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Please accepted. 160 is your total. Cash your end of the hall. You're all set. Best of luck. Brad Allen Newick. How you doing? 25T645787. Good morning. Your name?
Brad, good other.
Okay, you're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted. 195. You're all set. Original charge dismissed. Good luck. Cash your end of the hall to your right. Thanks. Barbito. Christopher Joseph Barbito, 25T646004. How you doing there?
How are you?
Your name?
Christopher Barbito.
All right. Got a coat on and everything, huh, Mr. Barbito?
Yes, sir.
Good for you. You're going to plead to, this is a commercial vehicle charge, huh? Why are you driving so fast?
There's really no reason for it, honestly.
All right, you're going to plead to impeding?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
All right, 185, cash your end of the hall to your right. Be careful, please. Slow down, all right?
I will.
Good luck. 2, Beisel. Joshua Daniel Beisel, 5B148957. Mr. Beisel, your name?
Before we wrap, let's take a professional step back. Today's docket gave us a rapid-fire look at how courts handle everything from minor traffic offenses to serious probation violations and unpaid fines. We saw dismissals, reduced charges, payment plans, and warnings, but also the judge's insistence on accountability, clear communication, and documentation. Whether it was defendants dealing with address issues, missed court dates, or attorney complications, one principle stayed constant. The court only works when everyone communicates clearly and takes their responsibilities seriously. If you found this case as shocking, fast-paced, and eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.